For many in Turkey, life is centred around one of the seas and straits that wrap the coastline. The coast draws millions of tourists each year and feeds the Turkish economy. But the rich biodiversity beneath the surface is under threat. And Bayram Öztürk is trying to catch the interest of the rest of the world. He's the president of the Turkish Marine Research Foundation and has put Turkey's marine biodiversity on display at the UN.
To share our knowledge about the marine conservation and also to find partners from other parts of the world, exchange of information how we can protect the entire ocean.
Deep sea mining and overfishing are changing the underwater environment and putting sea life at risk. And experts say protecting high seas are an essential part of restoring the world's ecosystem.
High seas are important for highly migratory species because let's say if you are an eel, you will go to high sea and then you will come to my river. If you cannot protect the high seas, the eel cannot enter to the rivers.
Here at the United Nations, the first steps are being made to protect the biodiversity of high seas under international law. And Turkey is pressing hard to engage other nations in the hope of protecting 2/3 of the world's oceans from overexploitation. And for Turkey, protecting the ocean means protecting the country's socio-economic development.
Turkey is geographically a very blessed country. We are surrounded by 4 seas, which are very important for the social and economic development for Turkish people. That's why we need to take care of our sea and biological diversity. Sustainable development is important for us. We are trying to benefit from our seas, and that's why we continue to work on their health.
With its arid climate, Turkey is particularly vulnerable to rising temperatures. It's a country with demanding energy needs, but in its commitment to curb climate change, Turkey has promised to restrain emissions. And as the country grows and the oceans change, Turkey's challenge to preserve its seas has never been greater. Ayhan, TRT World, New York.